Hello guys, just see what me and my skill do to this tire today. Just look there. That is the rotten one, and this is the tube, and there is some of that foam that I sprayed in. And there comes the tube, all rotten up. Okay, let's put a little bit of action in. Okay guys, the only way to get this tire off, this is the rotten one, is to work hard with it and fight it off. So you can see there, this is the old tube, and this is my flat spot. You remember my flat spot? Okay guys, a couple of days of fighting and it will come off. Here I've got already cleaned up the bead to a point, and that is the tube. Looks actually nice. Okay, so I'll continue and bring you back as I progress. See you on the next one guys. Bye.